Alright YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Say what up. Alright, so today we're gonna be doing a how-to video because y'all know I work on cars too. You know I got to. Today we're doing a lower motor mount on a 08 Chevy Uplander. Motor mount is right here. You can see it right there at that bottom. There's the bottom motor mount. To do this, all you're gonna need is a 15, a power drill, 15 socket, and then 15 wrench. Probably one with a flex head to be better, but if not, a long gonna be good too. You're gonna need a jack and some wood to prop it up on the motor so you don't bust the oil pan. Alright, so dang it. Don't mess up like me. Don't mess up like me. You want to make sure that your jack is actually on the oil pan, not on anything else. Don't be like me. I gotta let it back down. Move it over. Let's turn these sideways just to make sure that they're on the oil pan only. Go up. Okay, so to me the easiest way to do this is to just take the two bottom screws out right here. Not one. And you got another one right here. And if you got those two out, the motor mount is pretty much free. And wanna jack this up for me? You stink too. Just jack it up. You jack it up. Go ahead. You'll see how these screws come out of there. This is not a little stuck. A little bit more. Right there. Okay. So back up top. And then that's what you got the 15 for. Just gonna put it. You got two screws at the top, one right there, and another one right there. And that's what you're gonna use this 15 for. Put it on there. I don't need you anymore. Turn you off. I'll loosen these two. One. Requires a little strength, so girls don't try it. No, I'm just playing. Girls are actually kind of strong, the ones nowadays. But yeah, so get this one screw out. Other one out.
That's a bad. Like last summer, we came to Wawa. We got Wawa.
He wants to get pat on me again.
We had that barbecue shit.
Yeah.
What happened to your thing?
Alright, last but not least, there's one screw right here in the middle. Good power drills come in handy. Trust and believe me, you might want to get some. I'm gonna jack it up some more. Just jack it up good enough. This should just pop up. This is very bad. Look how that's moving. I'll show you guys once it comes out. Shut up! Here, somebody come hold the camera real quick because I got these both in my hands.
They was just gonna, you know.
My hand is like in the camera way. Come around this side so you can see. You got, you got to look at it so you can see what you're looking at because I can't look at it for you. All right. Sure. just gonna take these 2 screws out of the top. Let's take this stupid plate off. After you get that off, the motor mounter pretty much just slide out the side. Boom. Normally they're easier, but when it's like this, these things grab onto anything. Man, don't come off. Yeah, this one's shot, as you can see. Stuff is everywhere. Alright, well, back to putting it in. Another thing with these, when you take them out, you have to make sure that you line this up the proper way so that this hole is touching the engine right here. Because if you line it up backwards, you'll have it like this. And then this back here will never line up. So make sure that you lined up the right way. So make sure that you watch out how you take it off, because if you don't put it back the right way, it'll never go back in. Okay, so here's the new one. Look how good that looks compared to that old one. Alright, see you later. Look at that. Look at that difference. 8 up. Nowhere near the same. So yeah. Alright, so we're gonna do this the easy way instead of doing it the hard way. Let's see how this thing goes in there. Okay. So looks like it goes like this. One end is different from the other end, as you can see. See? One end down here, one end over there. Has to go in this way to work. And we're gonna do this the easy way this time. We had a hard time getting that thing out when it was still on there. So we're just gonna put this in. We're just gonna put this in first. And the easiest way is to pretty much just slide it up through there. Uh-oh. Just gonna slide it in there. Right beside the tranny and the axle. Boom. Make sure it doesn't do that. Bring it over. Sits right in place. And there we go. Boom. We're going to the bottom, make sure the hole's lined up. Yep. One right there. Right there. So we all in place. All we gotta do now. Don't say that. Oh, let me get some spray. I didn't mention this in the beginning, but you're gonna need some of this stuff too. Or you can use the greaser. You can spray it. I like to use this, it's quicker.
You want to make the job look professional. I keep happy customers, so clean this all up.
There we go. Clean up a little bit. And you just go right in. Kinda need 2 hands, but I don't have a filmer at the moment. There we go. Okay, so first thing you want to do after we get that lined up, we're going to get our two top screws that went here, 1 and 2, because if you don't do that first, you will forget it in the end, and you'll pretty much have to take everything apart and restart. So.
Start with this one.
Got those 2 down. 1, 2. It's the most important part because otherwise this will come off, and then you'll be defeating the purpose of doing the motor mount period, because once you line this up, tighten these 2, you have to get the plate. The plate will be moving, it'll never go anywhere. So, okay, so now we have these 2. What we're gonna do first? 1, 2. To be honest, this is a lot harder doing with the new part. The new parts are always better, stronger, and have a lot more density. So, boom, boom. Middle one in. Drill the middle one down. That's tight. Let the jack down. Let the jack down now. Hey, last 2 other animals. Alright, remember, after you tighten stuff down, you always want to do it by hand. Unfortunately, I don't need to because this is a 20-volt gun, very powerful. So, for you guys that don't have a gun, make sure you tighten it down with the ratchet after. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything tight. New motor mount in. Yeah, that's how you change the lower motor mount on a 08 Chevy Uplander. Put the tire back on.
All the cool.
Oh, God. Alright, y'all. That's it for that video. Make sure that y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what y'all want to see next. This is a little something that I be doing. It's actually my real job. As you see, I'm dirty. It's my real job. That's what I really do. For y'all who don't know me, I work on cars. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what y'all want to see next. We'll be back again with another video sooner or later.